In 2014, I wanted to move away. I wanted to work through the summer, save all my money, and prove that I didn't really need anyone other than just my dog. That clearly didn't last long, and my summer quickly became about laughing, living carefree, and trying to figure out exactly which swimsuit I could wear that would impress you the most. I didn't know then that you would become my lifeguard. Fast forward to 2019, and the last thing that I wanted was to be close to anyone. But it only took a few conversations with you before I found myself smiling, laughing, and learning to love myself again. That's when I had realized that you were going to be my lifeguard.
Sam, one of the things I love most about you is that you're unapologetically yourself. You bravely sing songs at the top of your lungs, whether you're in tune or not. And to that, I vow to never diminish you in any way. I vow to love you through the good times and the bad, and to always be faithful. To even yell, "Roll Tide" if Alabama wins it all. Always and forever.
So today, as I become your wife, I vow to be your lifeguard. I vow to build a life with you, to grow old with you, and to raise a family with you. To always swim with you and to always shotgun with you. I vow to be your person, to put you and our marriage second to nothing but our God. To be your best friend as you are mine, today, tomorrow, and for the rest of our lives.
John and Sam, today you gain an equal partner. You are creating a new home where love, trust, and loyalty are the foundation. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. John, you may kiss your bride.
Sam, I vow to love you more than you'll ever know. Furthermore, I vow to always love you more. And when I say that, I don't mean I love you more than you love me. I vow to love you more than anyone or anything.